Don't have time to read a 500-page epic? What if I tell you these 5 short books will mess with your mind, melt your heart, or make you question reality? All in just one day? So, hi, I'm Surbi and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm recommending 5 internet famous binge worthy short books, and the best part, you can finish them in just one day. So, hop onto this list I have got for you. First up, I have Fall Risk by A.B. Gymnast. This one is a quick read, just 80 pages. The story starts off when the stairs of an apartment building mysteriously vanishes, trapping Charlotte and Seth inside for a few days. Charlotte is already terrified someone is stalking her and making her life miserable. Meanwhile, Seth is dealing with a fresh divorce. During those days of being stuck together, they connect. Something beautiful starts to blossom. This book beautifully blends rom-com with reality, and despite the tension, the ending is super satisfying. I loved it. It is a must read if you like romance that comes with a touch of reality. This is absolutely awesome book. The second book I have is That Night by Nidhi Upadhyay. This one is a horror mystery set around four friends who were inseparable in college. One night, after some whiskey and a Ouija board session, they do something terrible. 20 years later, someone is threatening them. Paranormal activities forces them to reunite and secrets starts to unravel. Each of them is hiding something, and it all goes back to that night. It is fast paced, thrilling, and will keep you hooked till the very end. Perfect for a lazy weekend read when you want chills, drama, and suspense. And major shout out to all the Indian authors shining on the mystery scene. I love it and I love this book. Next is Listen for the Lie by Amy Tintera. Okay, this one is slightly longer, but trust me, you won't be able to put it down. It's a murder mystery wrapped in a true crime podcast format with a dangerous narrator. Lucy is suspected of killing her best friend, but the twist? She doesn't remember anything from that night. A viral podcast reopens the case, and as the episode drops, secrets come crashing down. Lucy's job, boyfriend, and reputation are gone, and now the truth is ready to explode. It is clever, gripping, and surprisingly hilarious in parts. Lucy is quite sarcastic. If you love podcasts, dark humor, and morally grey characters, you'll binge this one in one sitting. Trust me. Now, the fourth book is The Grown Up by Gillian Flynn. From the queen of psychological thrillers, Gillian Flynn, this 64-page novella is a mind bender. It begins with a fake psychic scamming clients, but things takes a dark turn when she ends up in a haunted house with a creepy kid and some very supernatural vibes. It's sharp, witty, and ends with a twist that will have you staring at the wall like, what just happened? Perfect for the fans of dark suspense with a sarcastic bite. And did I mention it's shorter than most to-do list? Yes. And last but not the least, Fahrenheit 451 by Ray Bradbury. This one is a classic, but it still hits hard. Set in a dystopian world where books are illegal and firemen burns books instead of putting out fires. The story follows one man who starts questioning everything. This book isn't just about censorship, it's about the power of knowledge, the loss of imagination, and the dangers of the world that stop asking questions. It's a short book filled with punch, and honestly, it's not just a book, it's a warning. And you need to be thankful that we have a freedom to read books. And that was my list of 5 short books that prove page counts means nothing when the story slaps hit hard. Have you read any of these, or do you have a favorite short read you swear by? Drop it in the comments. Let's build our TBR towers together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends and family. Hit that little bell icon so you don't miss more bookish fun. I'll see you next time. Until then, happy reading.